This 2026 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 29TE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Salem, Oregon, 97305 and is offered for sale by Highway Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features a BRYCE Canyon interior, sleeps 9, LP detector, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, air conditioning, microwave, oven, auxiliary battery, water heater, self-contained, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 29TE is 6,428 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.